Welcome back to the Research Finance Education Series. This video will explain the process for honorariums related to Unity Health Toronto staff. First, why is it important? In the event a manager or principal investigator wishes to pay or remunerate a Unity Health Toronto staff member over and above the staff's regular pay, it must be reported as income. The remainder of this video will detail what to do and what not to do to accomplish this. This video only applies to those funds from research. Considerations. Ensure you review the expense eligibility of your research project or grant if you wish to pay or remunerate a Unity Health Toronto employee. This will ensure this expense will not be denied once reviewed by finance. Ensure that there is no conflict of interest between the approver and the recipient. If you have any questions, please reach out to Research Finance. When considering this option, it is up to the principal investigator and/or manager to be aware if the staff member is a unionized employee. If there is any question or uncertainty, it is suggested that you consult with Employee Services Center or HR coordinator. What not to do. A payment requisition should not be prepared to process the honorarium or remuneration to the staff. As staff are enrolled in our payroll, this is the most efficient way to facilitate additional remuneration. If you wish to pay an honorarium or additional money to an employee at Unity Health Toronto, the easiest way to do this is through payroll and workforce management. You can enter overtime and what would be equivalent to, for example, $200, if that is what you want to remunerate. Please be aware that there are tax implications when paying staff additional monies. If a principal investigator or manager presents a gift card to a Unity Health Toronto employee which is funded by a research activity, and the principal investigator wishes to seek reimbursement, the staff's employee ID must be included in the reimbursement requisition form. This is required regardless of the dollar value given to the employee, as the person receiving the gift card is a Unity Health Toronto employee. If you have any questions about this presentation, please contact Employee Service Center. If you have any minor questions, you may contact Research Finance at smh.ca. Thanks for watching.